Good day, guys. Good day, guys. As you know, that I'm sharing strategies for mobile almost every day and on how to use them for free. So now we came across the guys who have been asking and saying, "Sir, can you please do also PC systems that are modified that we can use to make money in the market?" So, guys, now I have around 11 PC systems that you can use to make money in the market. So, but you only pay 100 rand, guys. You pay 100 rand. I teach you on how to use the strategies. I send you the indicator. I help you on how to plug it on your PC. Then after that, I teach you on how to use the indicator successfully. Because you don't just use the indicator anytime you like. There are times that you have to follow in the market. So I give you those times that you need to follow in the market to be able to trade successfully. So now we're gonna just scroll around and show you what we have in our portfolio. You can select, you can just look at the video, then screenshot the system that you want, inbox me on my WhatsApp number with the picture of the system, then I will send you the system. You pay only 100 rent, 100 rent. You pay only that, then I help you on how to use the strategy. That is for my strength, my time, and for finding you this amazing system. So as you can see, we have this one, guys. As you can see, it gives you entries, beautiful entries according to market structures. So this is what we have in the market. As you can see here, it's identifying how you're gonna enter your trades and be able to make money in the market. So we have this other one, guys. As you can see, it gives you market value and also the entries according to the support and resistance. So this is one of the best system that you can get to be able to identify your entries and the market retracement. So this is for PC. So make sure that if you are interested in this, you can just let me know. So guys, okay, we have another one. It's the same as that one. So here it's showing you on how you're gonna be entering your trades, on how you're gonna be able to use this system. So we have this one again, the supply and demand system. It shows you the market turning over and the market supply and resistance. So if you're interested in this system, you just screenshot and send it and let's show you. So we have this one, guys. This is one of the best, guys. It gives you, as you can see, it gives you entry, take profit and second take profits. Let me show you on this other picture as well. As you can see on this one right here, it's still loading. So guys, as you can see on this one here, it gives you the market entry, then first take profit, second take profit, and third take profit. As you can see, the market move exactly like this. So this one, or if you have this one, you don't have to worry about how you're gonna get the entries. It gives you the entries and it gives you the take profits as well. So we have this one, guys. As you can see, it analyzes the market for you, showing you the trend of the market and how the market will move for the day. As you can see, we have this one, guys. Again, guys, it also gives you the entries according to the circle dots on how you're gonna trade. So this is a scalping strategy. So if you want to scalp something like gold, Nasdaq, and indices, you can use this one. We have another one, guys, the support and resistant one, guys. As you can see, this is one of the best. It tells you that the market is a weak buy or a strong buy. So it tells you that the market is on a weak buy or strong buy. So this is one of the best strategies that you just follow what it says according to time that we will be teaching you on how to use this. We also have this one, guys, the ICT or the CRT strategies. They use this kind of lines to identify the market value. and on how you can enter. So we also teach you on how to use this strategy so that you are profitable in the market. So we have this one. You saw this those guys. Who are these guys? Uh, Bruno, and there are three guys. Those guys who are trending right now, making money. They use these guys. This is one of the best. This is automated actually. So you just follow what it tells you, then you enter your trades, you make money in the markets. You see, you just follow on this one. So we also have this one, guys. We also have this one showing you the market, 100% price rejection, 50% price rejection. So when it's 100% price rejection, you sell. When it's 50%, you either you close on 50% or you let it go down, 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 down. So this is one of the best strategies that you can use, guys. So this one, guys, shows you the weekly. This one helps you to analyze the market. If you want to see whether the weekly, monthly charts are either on a buy trend, sell trend, we will teach you if you are interested on this one. But it's one of the best, guys, for analyzing the market. Guys, our systems, so far we showed you 11 systems that you can rely on if you want to start trading on your PC. So you pay only 100 rand. I teach you on how to use the strategies. I give you the strategy, then you start making money in the market following the guidance of the systems. Make sure you also use risk management. So if you want these amazing indicators, make sure that you inbox on the number on my bio or on my description there. You'll see the number. Just inbox. Let's start working. Thank you.